Hey guys, welcome back to my videos. My name is Ashish, and in today's video, we are going to look at a very simple way to connect to a database using Pandas. And this is a very new feature which is available in Pandas 2.2.0 using ADBC Driver. So they have provided this to SQL and read SQL support. So without wasting time, let's get started. So first of all, what you need is you need to have Postgre installed on your local machine. So I'm using this Postgres 16. Let's create local container. So Postgres 16. So port is going to be default. Environment is so I need Postgre user and Postgre password that I want to provide. So password. Great. All right. So let's go ahead. All right. So my Postgre is locally running. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to go to Python. So this is a virtual environment. I have Python and I have just now installed pip install ADBC driver PostgreSQL. So ADBC driver PostgreSQL installs this Arrow driver, which I'm going to show you. So this Apache Arrow ADBC, it is in beta or experimental mode. So I would insist you to try this API on your local machine or in beta setup, but don't use it as of now on your production setup. Okay, so it's very easy to use. So let's go ahead and once you have installed these dependencies, so of course, and you need pandas installed. So let's create new Python file. All right. So what I need is I need to import pandas and Spyder. Then I need this as Python file. Okay. Then you need is import ADBC PostgreSQL dot DB API as short form DB API. All right. Let's create one data frame. This data frame has data as 1, 2, 3. And let me copy paste this. So 4, 5, 6. All right. And I need to provide a column. So this is my data. All right. And next, I'm supposed to provide columns equal to. Okay. Now, let's start connection. So I need URI. So for URI, this is PostgreSQL : // I'm supposed to provide my username password that we provided while creating our Docker container, localhost, and Postgres. Now, let's create this table. I'm going to connect to this URI and now look at this API. It's very easy to use. df2 SQL, and here I'm going to pass. So this is table name. I'm creating table, and inside that I'm passing this connection, and this is I don't want indexing, index false. So this should create. Let me run this. So this should create basically a table. Okay. Now let's try to verify that whether this table is created or not. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to comment this line. Here I'm going to read this as read SQL, and here I'm supposed to pass only 2 parameters, and this is available in PD, and I'm supposed to catch in another variable, and let's print this and verify. So I'm reading this from the table we created from the previous code, and it should print the same data with column ABC. Okay, let's print this. Let's run this. All right. So you can see there are two rows with table ABC as a column name. Okay. So this is how it's easy to handle data using these pandas with database Postgres. Okay. So thanks for watching my video. Please like, share, subscribe. That's it from this video. Thank you.